am Ntebele Zabu from Tuto ICT. I'm going to present a project entitled Timeline of Technology in the Eyes of the Youth. This topic has been noticed by youth after they have seen that social networks brings more harm than good. They have to come together and see whether they can solve this problem around the country and also worldwide. They had the following in the groups: the observator, the group leader, the writer, the photographer, and the video taker. They went into Lesotho College of Education where they found the room to work. They create the emails and have created the Facebook and Twitter page where they communicate with people from different countries and worldwide people. They also uh, have the following in their work. They went outside the campus to communicate and interview the people from the rural areas and urban areas to see the results after their interviewing. They also came back. They came back to the lab and see if the problem has been solved. In this observation, they have seen that technology has bring harm than good to youth, so they have decided to create a free education and Lesotho College of Education for youth and also for the people who are willing to help to promote ICT literate in the country. And now all the people from different countries and local are now able to communicate through ICT. Thank you.